Here on Monster Truck Classics, starting off for 2025, none other than my favorite monster truck, and it is Bigfoot celebrating 50 years here in 2025, and he is in the Hot Wheels monster truck line. This is Leading Legends 3 of 7, and it includes a crushed car and like the background of it. So up here it also says new for 2025, and they have the name of the truck up top here. Here is the back of the card for Bigfoot, and the name of the truck: Bigfoot truck type, pickup strength, car crushing shocks, crash attack, original monster truck. And here is the other trucks in this case. So let's go ahead and unbox Bigfoot. Here is the connecting crash card that comes with Bigfoot. Put that aside, and here he is, Bigfoot, out of the package with those gold wheels, a black chassis, and then just a silver base I'm going with. And also check out the body, the 50th anniversary edition of this one. And up top here it says Bigfoot, the name of the truck. Back here we get the Hot Wheels monster trucks logo, and then up top we just get the Hot Wheels logo, and then down here the gold stripe on the bottom, and then the truck. If I'll zoom in here, the truck itself looks like outlined in gold, and then we get the 50 on the side of the truck for 50, and then I believe that is the Summit Racing Equipment sponsorship right there in gold. Turning it around to the front of the truck, you can see that the front windshield is gold. Up top on the hood we get the 50, and then the Hot Wheels logo, and I believe that is the Summit Racing Equipment logo again. And then we get a gold stripe going back, and that is then connecting here on top of the truck, and we get the 50 with Bigfoot and a tire, the 50th anniversary logo, Bigfoot logo on the roof of the truck. And then on the back is the stripe continues on the tailgate with Bigfoot in gold, and we get the Hot Wheels logo right there, and I believe the Summit Racing Equipment also on the back there on the tailgate. And let's point out this, that we get 50th back there of 50 on the back on the bumper there. So turning it around so you can see it, this concludes the unboxing and review of the 50th anniversary edition for this Bigfoot. Thank you for tuning in.